Hello everyone, today my plan is to go to Lighthouse Melagavi, which is located near Litraki, around 100 kilometers from the center of Athens. I am riding my Kawasaki Sherpa 1999 and my goal is to avoid highways as much as I can. Sherpa has a small tank of 9 liters and at 6 liters I have to switch to reserve. At this point the bike had 100 kilometers and I was in desperate need for a gas station. The first one was this one and the price was €2.61 per liter, which was super expensive. After paying €10 for not even 4 liters, I decided to continue my journey. At this point, I reached Corinth Canal, which is a man-made canal for ships to avoid circumnavigating the Peloponnese. My goal was to pass the canal in order to show it to you, once from the small moving bridge and another one from the highway. At this point, we continue our journey back to the mainland. This is Lake Vouliagmeni, which is a small lake near the area of Perachora. It has a sandy beach with clear water, coffee, bars and restaurants. The Melagavi Lighthouse, also known as the Lighthouse, was built in 1897 and renovated in 1947. Its outline is T-shaped and it has a rectangular light tower. Lake Vouliagmeni was really beautiful and I didn't lose the chance to go for a swim. Finally, I can say I really enjoyed my time here and this place deserves a visit. Till next time, keep on riding.